You know what's on my bucket list? It's not meeting my favorite K-pop idol. Or maybe it is. But what I really want to experience is Korea's cheering culture. For the special mission of the K Influencer Academy, How Korea Cheers, we're going to be talking about Korea's dedicated cheering culture. Because Korea does not play when it comes to cheering, whether it's football, baseball, or even K-pop concerts. With the World Cup currently going on, what better time than to witness cheer culture? If you've ever watched South Korea during the FIFA World Cup, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. Thousands of fans dressed in matching red t-shirts. In fact, you may have noticed all your K-pop faves also posting reels, cheering for the Korea teams in these red shirts. Even people who don't usually watch football come out just to be part of the atmosphere. But there's one sport Korea has completely mastered. It's baseball. Baseball is a huge part of Korean culture, with 10 professional clubs and each club having its own way of cheering. In the early days of Korea's professional baseball league, the most commonly used cheering tools were Korean traditional musical instruments. But nowadays, a typical example of cheering tools is thundersticks, towels, banners, and light up signs. In fact, you probably didn't know that the cheerleading girl game was in fact from a baseball event, where the cheerleader was cheering for Korea's pro baseball team, the Kia Tigers. And then, of course, there's K-pop. As a person who's witnessed concerts online and IRL as both a fan and a behind-the-scenes crew, trust me, you still have not experienced the full thing. I especially really enjoyed the banner making culture for K-pop because it's your one chance to do the funniest things if your idols can read your board. In fact, I also made one for when 1V had come to India, and one side of my board was congratulating them for the most recent music show win. However, the other side was actually based on a fandom meme where my board says Onil Singil or today's my birthday, which looks very unassuming to anyone else, but I swear it's funny if you're a BB. And actually, even I have not experienced the whole thing because I just witnessed my face mostly in other events, not in their own solo concerts. So I really want to experience being next to fellow fans, like singing the lyrics and chanting fan chants together, and also just talking about our faves in general. And that's why my goal in life, at least as a K-pop fan, is to be part of a crowd of fans in Korea for my favorite groups. The feeling after a music festival itself is so euphoric. So imagine when you have all gathered for one artist. How amazing would that be? But that's all from us. What about you? Would you like to ever attend a K-pop concert or baseball game in Korea? And for which group or team would you cheer? Let us know in the comments below. And do like, share and subscribe to the Namaste Hallyu YouTube channel for more videos like this. And we'll see you next time. Annyeong.